What's up guys, it's your girl Sharon and I want to welcome you back to my virtual salon studio where I share with you 3 decades of professional salon experience, and I help to inspire, uplift, and empower you to embrace your gray one strand at a time with style. This has been makeup month for us on our platforms and also on YouTube. So I'm excited to bring you this video where we'll be discussing the bold lip. Now I love a good bold lip, right? What is your favorite color bold lip? This one is one of my favorites. And I always say that if I'm bold with my lips, then I'm neutral with my eyes. Or if I'm bold with my eyes, then I'm neutral with my lips. But if you see in magazines and bloggers and makeup artists, even though I'm a hairstylist, I've done makeup over the years for my clients, but I don't profess to be the top MUA. You know, I know a little bit about makeup. I'm still learning and I want to step outside my comfort zone because I want to be able to create looks on my skin that I've never created before. Regardless of your age, it's time for you to step out and just try something new. In this video, one of my bold lips again is like a really bright orange like this wall, or even brighter. I don't really like red. My red is actually a deep burgundy, so that is my red. But I love an amazing red lip on anybody. I think it just looks amazing. But I do get some more red oranges and also red burgundies, so I do like those forms of red. So we're going to get into this video and I'm so excited for you to see this last video in our series for the month of February 2022. Let's take a look. So I hope that you enjoyed this bold lip video and I'm so excited. And those of you who are interested in being a part of a community with like-minded women, make sure that you join our Facebook group, which is called Grown Girls Go Gray, over on Facebook. Didn't I just say that? Yes, over on Facebook. I appreciate you watching. Make sure you leave us a comment. What are your ideas about the bold lip? And I comment on everybody's comment. I love to see the inspiration and the empowerment that you guys give me back, letting me know that you love this about the video or that you love that about the video. That makes me want to make videos all the time. So I love coming here on this platform I am right up under 1,000 subscribers, so if you guys could just share this video or share this playlist out, I totally would appreciate it. I'm so excited about reaching that 1,000 subscribers, and maybe by the time you've watched this video, we are already at 1,000 subscribers. So again, thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure you make the rest of your life the best of your life. So let's not work on being younger, let's just work on being better. And until the next time, guys, take care. Peace.